After watching a few lessons about the periodic table, let's test our knowledge on this subject. The first question: which element is the first in the periodic table? Hint: the first element in the periodic table has an atomic number equal to 1. This element is hydrogen H. At room temperature, the first element is a solid, liquid, or gas. So we now know that the first element is hydrogen. At room temperature, is hydrogen a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Well, hydrogen is a gas at room temperature. Which element has the symbol H? This should be an easy question. It's hydrogen. Oxygen has the symbol O, and helium has the symbol He. Which symbol represents silver? Ag, S, or Se? Ag is the symbol of silver. Consider this periodic table to the left. Which group is known as the transition metals? The transition metals are the elements that separate group number 2 from group number 4. Which symbol represents zinc? Se, Zn, or Zr? Zn is the symbol of zinc. Which group is known as the noble gases? Remember, the noble gases are inert and they are chemically stable. The noble gases are the last group in the periodic table. We call them group 0. For example, helium, neon, and argon. Which symbol represents calcium? Y, Ca, or C? Ca is the symbol of calcium. It's the 20th element in the periodic table. Which group is known as the alkali metals? Is it group number 1, group number 2, 4, or what? You see the elements colored in green. Those elements are alkali metals and they have similar properties. Examples of alkali metals are lithium, sodium, and potassium. Which symbol represents chlorine? Ce, Cr, or Cl? Cl is the symbol of chlorine.